Hi, today we are going to talk about the .NET Core. So I will talk a little bit about it. I don't want to talk too much about the meaning of the .NET, but I will give briefly to for everyone to know what we are doing here. So our video will be about ASP.NET Core MVC and how to use it with Entity Framework. We will create small project. So I will start with creating database on SQL Server. After that, try to connect it with our ASP.NET Core using Entity Framework. So, but before we start our demo, let's talk about ASP. Let's talk about the .NET Core. What's the difference between this .NET Core and the old version of .NET, or the old platform of .NET? So .NET platform, we know we can run ASP.NET website on Linux server or on Mac server, on any other different server. We can run it on Windows server. So the .NET Core, they give us ability to run our project or our website on Linux server. I think this is one of the main features they give us, Microsoft. Because we know, everyone, maybe Linux server hosting, it's cheaper than Windows, so it will be for us better. And we know it's ASP.NET, it's strong language. We just that gap we can install it on Linux. So the .NET Core, they give us ability to use this feature. So the second point is, everyone knows this. Let's say the old .NET platform, it's big library. If I want to create, let's say, a small project, let's say any small project, my project will be, let's say, 1 MB, and I should install all the platform or all the packages. I should include it with my project. When I send it to my customer, I should install all the .NET platform. So it will be a big file. So what they do here in the .NET framework, they create something or feature. They, let's say, take what you want only, use what you want. So include what you want. You don't need to include all the packages. Just your project need this 1, 2, 3. Just this one included in your project. That's it. No more. So it will be light. Not same the old .NET frameworks, big file, and it will be if it's old machine, old computer, I can run it on it. So it will be it will make my computer slow. So this one will give me good feature how to install it. So .NET changed to .NET Core. So I will have new ASP.NET Core. So they say it's completely rewritten of ASP, but there is goal of rewritten this one. As we mentioned in the first, it will be cross-platform. Cross-platform, I can run my project on Linux or on Windows or on Mac even. So it will be, for me, it's easy to use it anywhere. And we know that big problem with Microsoft, nothing open source. Now we have open source platform we can use. You can see anything on our .NET Core, and there is OIN, and we'll talk about OIN in our demo. Let's talk about injection system. I don't know if you watch the oldest video I already recorded about ASP.NET and with MVC, and we talk about how same this serious video. We talk about how to make connection to your database using Entity Framework. So we use there, they call it Ninja injection system. So we use third party. Now Microsoft, they include this feature with the .NET Core. So I don't need to include any third party to use this feature. Actually, there is many more features. We'll talk about them in our tutorial. So I think in next video I'll try to explain for you what we'll do, and step by step, and to how to connect your ASP.NET Core to your we'll use SQL Server. Maybe next time we can use MySQL will be good, because we can use it with any one of them. But I think till today Oracle not supported by .NET Core. Maybe in future will be. That's it for today. Let's try to jump to our demo and we'll see what we can do there. See you next video.